Hey everyone, welcome back to Lobster Mobility. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after fitness goals, getting six-pack abs. But remember, abs are made in the kitchen. Stick around because we're about to reveal the best diet to help you achieve that chiseled look, and you won't want to miss these game-changing tips. Imagine seeing those abs you've been working so hard for finally make an appearance. It's not just about exercise. What you eat plays a crucial role. Let's uncover the secrets to a six-pack friendly diet. First, let's understand why diet is crucial. You can do all the crunches in the world, but without the right diet, your abs will remain hidden. Lowering your body fat percentage is key, and that starts with what you put on your plate. Tip number 1, focus on lean proteins. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, and plant-based proteins help build muscle and keep you full longer. Protein boosts your metabolism and aids in fat loss. Incorporate lean proteins into every meal to support muscle growth and recovery. Tip number 2, don't shy away from healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are your friends. These fats help you stay satiated and provide essential nutrients. Add healthy fats to your diet to keep hunger at bay and support overall health. Tip number 3, choose complex carbs wisely. Opt for whole grains, sweet potatoes, and legumes. These carbs provide sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar. Host complex carbs are essential for fueling your workouts and aiding recovery. Tip number 4, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your body function optimally, aids in digestion, and can prevent overeating. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your metabolism running smoothly. Tip number 5, practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and avoid distractions while eating. This helps prevent overeating and promotes better digestion. Enjoy your meals and listen to your body to maintain a healthy relationship with food. Bonus tip, cut down on sugary foods and beverages. Sugar adds empty calories and can lead to weight gain, hiding those hard-earned abs. Opt for water, herbal teas, or black coffee instead of sugary drinks. There you have it, the best diet tips to help you reveal those six-pack abs. Remember, consistency is key. Combine these dietary changes with your workout routine, and you'll be on your way to a stronger, more defined core. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite tip, and don't forget to subscribe to Lobster Mobility for more health and fitness advice. Stay strong and stay active.